Okay, the big log is on the lift. Sorry about the engine noise, but you can't really run the hydraulics without the engine running because the power for the hydraulics comes from the alternator. There's a battery down there, but if you run the hydraulics without the engine running, you can kill the battery. Trust me on this. Now, I don't know if that log is far enough over onto the lift or not. We're about to find out. Here we go. Loader. Here we go. Nope. Gotta bump it over with the loader. Drop my fancy seat cloth. Wind blows it off. Have to climb up onto this thing. Low gear. Okay, I hope my camera work was splendid during that procedure. It's kind of tough. I'll shut that off for now. I don't like to have more than one thing running at once. I get confused. All right, we're gonna try it again. I just need to get it up off the ground a little, and then I can pull that loader back out of the way. Here we go. See, it's fighting the loader now, I think. Or that log's too big to lift, one or the other. Let's see here. Not staying in a cradle there. Try it one more time. I might just lift it on there with the loader and be done with it. This isn't going as planned. I hate climbing up and down on this load. It's tall and the steps are big. I think that's a no. Okay, plan B, I'm just gonna lift it up with a loader. If you like this kind of content, which is stellar by the way, please like and subscribe, and as my old pappy used to say, be of good cheer. Thanks for watching.